Great recording.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now
And I'm just like
my
in the
recording is
background.
done.
Leanne, shut
There we go.
up.
No.
Hey guys,
You're-
Inferno here. Welcome back to
Recently
Roblox.
ended the video. Hold on,
Leanne,
wait.
Leanne, hashtag.
Oh my god.
I need
You're
to
on
start
YouTube.
my over
Hashtag
again.
regrets.
Okay, well I've started.
I've started. Just-
Great.
Leia, you're so slow. Jeez.
Up.
Psh,
Yeah, so there I'm in
amateurs.
the
So
orange
slow.
seat, Leia is in the green car and Popcorn is in the grey
The
car.
recording too slow. Okay, there we go. It's back on.
Hurry
Now you
up.
can do the intro.
Leia,
We need to do
why-
it
why-
in
Hey guys, Inferno here. Welcome back to Roblox. And again by LJGaming and Popcorn. Popcorn's in the green car. No, Popcorn's in the grey
I'm
car.
not in the.
Green car.
Yeah. yeah.
I'm in the seat.
Leia,
Let's
why are
roll
you
out, guys.
invisible?
Let's go.
Oh,
I am not invisible.
You are invisible.
I am not invisible.
You are
You must be
invisible.
blind.
Maybe.
Everyone roll out.
But then I shouldn't really be driving.
Well, you're unique because you can drive. Oh, I got 11 bounty. Good day to start off the
Really?
video.
I hate
You
you.
just
What?
killed Popcorn.
Yeah.
Go back.
So
I was
mean.
looking back and all I saw was Popcorn got launched off the side of the cliff.
I'm here. Oh, don't tell me you're turning around, because
No, we're not.
that would take me
What
years.
did I do?
You like
You like
bump.
you crashed into her and she swerved right off the cliff.
What?
So mean.
I didn't know I did
Push me
that.
in, dudes!
Where are we going?
You boxed me into hit a lamppost.
Oh, I went into a lamppost. If that makes you feel better.
Leia,
Oh.
just stop hurting people.
Yeah,
It's not my fault.
yes.
But it kind of is.
But it kind of isn't.
It kind of is.
It kind of
Mr. Poop's car. Oi!
Yeah. I don't know where Popcorn's gone. Just keep going
I'm
forward.
behind. Trust me.
What?
You're in the behind.
I'm in the behind.
We're
Yeah.
at Westover.
Woo!
Let's all break here. Have a bit
This
of a
is literally
coffee.
going to be like 15 to 20 minutes of just driving.
Well, I've parked.
Where did you park?
Amazing.
We're back.
I'm over here.
Love that parking.
Oh no.
Ah.
No,
Can we go like 30 seconds without bumping into each other?
no.
Or
I
into
don't
something?
think that's possible for me.
Where?
Why
oh,
are
there's
we
green.
here?
Yeah. Dudes,
Dude.
we're looking at houses because I might buy one soon.
Yeah.
Move out the way.
Turn left.
I kind of hit a
Where?
lamppost.
It works. I'm out of
Hey,
here.
you did the same thing. It's stuck.
What's that sound?
Oh my
It's
god.
It needs to be rammed.
Ah! I can't. I'm actually stuck with this music.
Wait, what's happening?
Nearly out. No, don't do that. That'll make it worse.
What's happening?
I'm stuck. Stop. I'm nearly out.
That's helping
Start
me.
on the curb again.
Okay, I'm done. I'm good. Where are we? Go. Where are we?
Go.
I'm just gonna go
Oh!
forwards.
Ah!
I'm
Oh,
coming.
hello. Turn around.
I'm trying to.
See you later.
Oh, you guys are coming as
You
well.
right. Popcorn, stop, stop. Really quick. Come down here.
A bit late.
Oh, okay.
What you guys do?
I see you.
I see me too.
I see.
Yeah,
you.
we have a strange in this
Yeah.
house. Who's not recording or not playing.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
Hey boys.
Don't get in-
Dominic,
Hey.
I didn't do nothing.
You did everything.
Woo! Into the whip roundabout. Whoa, I got flying.
Oh yeah, last time I was the only one that did this. I don't want to fly, but I've gone off course. Hang on,
Go.
guys. One
Ah.
second. 1 second. Need to brake. We going
can't.
this way? I'm guessing. Yeah.
Yeah.
My
I'll
light's
stop
not
now.
on.
Oh no.
Oh, stop the rock.
Forwards.
Yeah, forwards. Box me in. What are you doing?
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm getting payback for boxing me in. Oh god, slow down.
Why? What's happening?
Because there's like a cliff edge here which you can run straight off if you're not careful.
Let's run off. Really? Really late. Wow. Let's run straight off.
Stop moving. Go this way, yeah.
I want to run straight off. Woo!
YOLO.
YOLO.
Oh, this is where I had that massive laughing fit. Do you remember?
I'm going
Laughing fit
first.
of
We
day.
thought you were broken.
Yeah.
Oh, don't have another one.
Let us in.
I've gone the wrong way, guys.
Good job, Araby. You're so great at following instructions.
Oh, I can just go over this, can't I? Yeah, I can.
See ya.
No, wait for me, guys.
Well, this end is a dead end anyway, so we might as well just
Oh, I
cross
think the
around.
police is no. I keep hearing police, right?
No, I kept on hearing them last
Oh, that
episode.
was
Get out of here.
close.
Uh,
I nearly made a
oh, wait,
perfect
really?
turn.
Dude!
Oh my.
I can turn my hat and my lights off. Turn left. Right.
Dominic, we better be careful. We don't want to break her again.
I do.
You want to break later?
He's
again.
already broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't be fixed.
Unfixable.
Damage is done. I wouldn't stay behind me
Silence.
if I were you. I will slow down. Oh god.
Speed. Music. Go away. No.
Well, that worked.
I
Oi!
can't see myself. Come on.
Worked. Go, speed up.
I'm going down here. If you saw that.
Okay, I see.
Cool.
I just about see Leia.
Go left. 'Cause why not?
Go left, okay.
I think we
Wait,
just.
which way's left? Is this the way?
This way left. Oh!
No.
Oh my god.
Oh
You
no.
guys alright?
Yeah, I'm splendid.
Splendid.
I'll help you. I got the
Have
suspension.
you list?
I'm stuck now.
You're both stuck. Oh god.
Reverse into me. Ah!
Abby's
Press flip.
Abby's coming to the rescue.
Game.
Press flip.
I'm trying.
This is working. I'm
Names
almost out.
incapable.
This is not going to work.
You guys look really weird.
Don't make
Shut
sense.
up.
I'm just gonna.
You know what?
That might work. That'll
I'm just
help
gonna
actually.
pretend
Thanks.
I don't know you and walk past.
No, please help. Help. I dibs front seat.
I don't need a front seat. I'm getting my car out of here.
Open, quickly, open.
Close, close,
Open.
close.
No! No!
Yes.
Bye, Dominic.
Don't worry. I'm out of here.
Okay, you saw where I went, so.
I'm getting out of here. Don't worry.
Okay, so we'll be waiting for you.
We'll be waiting.
Sure. I see you zooming off down there.
Bye bye.
Yeah. I'm
Let's
getting out
go
of
this
here.
way.
My jeep isn't strong enough.
Oh, so sad.
Yes. I'm out. No, I'm not. Not yet. Come on. Go. Hello, Jeep friend. Can you help?
I think we're going the wrong way.
Lend a hand to a fellow Jeeper.
Where are we actually heading?
Forwards.
I need to get my car back. Found one.
Just found a random car.
I'm gonna go back to Dominic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you stuck?
I am. I almost got out.
Okay, I'm coming to pick you up.
Wait. Whoa. Hang on.
Pick you up in
Hang
what
about.
way?
Hang about.
Oh
Go on.
wow.
Get out of here.
Okay, I'm coming in my amazing car.
Nice.
Cool. I think this is where you are.
Well, you'll see a big stuck Jeep when you find me.
Yeah, this is it.
On my way.
Awesome.
Oh, hang on.
There you are.
Hello. Who are
Do you want
you?
to just jump over the barrier?
Who are you? I don't know.
I can't jump over the barrier.
Yes, you can.
Oh, you can, yeah, but I can't.
I believe
Did you
in
go
you.
make it that way? Are you this
I
way?
can't go in. Just get out your car.
You just...
I
Wait,
could,
which
I
way
could drive
are
over
you?
there. I could easily get it over there. I did it before.
Wait, are you straight on, left or right?
I don't see you.
Oh. Oh, so
Oh,
close.
right, I think.
Wrong.
Go up. Wait, yes, reverse. No,
Oh wait, I was going the right way.
You were going the wrong way.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, he's out. Right, come this way.
I made it.
Congratulations,
driver.
do you want a cookie?
I would love a cookie, thank you.
Hey.
Oh, I don't have any,
Open up.
sorry, I'm broke.
Open up.
Oh,
Bye.
you don't sell cookies to broken people.
You do.
Why not?
Because that would make it even more broken.
They're broken beyond compare.
Oh, no.
Oh, God. What?
I'm dead.
Dominic's dead.
Hey, I think I see your car.
If you saw that.
Okay, I'm at Westover.
Hello.
Ah! Oh,
Hello.
is that you?
Come to Westover.
Was that you?
Was what me?
What car are you in?
I'm in an old
BMW.
sedan.
Huh?
I'm in an old sedan.
Okay.
He's in a BMW.
I'm in my Jeep again.
I
Can
swear
someone...
we're
Where are
all
you guys? You at
lost.
Westover? Where are you?
I'm at Kensington.
Okay, wait there.
Okay.
I'm on my way to Kensington.
I'm
Everyone
turning
go to
around
Kensington.
back to Kensington.
This is where I
Oh,
can
this
cut
is
the
where I
distance.
got stuck at the beginning. Tragic times.
Oh wait, that's the wrong way.
Good job. 10 out of 10.
I'm on my way.
Cool. I'm gonna refill.
Okay, good for you.
Thank
You do
you.
it.
I will.
I'm gonna kill a hacker because I'm better than everyone.
Okay, I'm almost there. I'm on my way.
I'm almost arrived at the Circle of Kensington.
I'm almost alive at the second of life.
Oh, I knew someone was gonna say that.
Why?
'Cause it's
Fine.
just a thing.
I'm just
Okay.
a person.
No, you're just a thing.
You're just a thing.
I'm at
You
the circle of
are.
You're an
Kensington.
object.
You're an it.
Oh hey,
Oh, hi. Look at
hi.
that great
Oh,
quality
there you
car.
are.
I know, right?
Let's go to the gas station. Hello.
So you were that. I was like,
Get off!
Down.
Get off!
Wah.
no.
Go away!
I'm
Gas.
stuck.
Premium gas. 17.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck on the curb again.
Mhm.
Don't worry, I'm coming out.
Oh no, I'm nearly done. There we go. I'm good.
You say that.
I'm good, bruv.
Bruv. Get wrecked, scrub lord. Ow.
You nearly made me bash into there.
Great job.
Yeah, Dominic literally jumped off a bridge.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Box her in, box her in.
Where is she? Oh, too late. I'll have to go around.
Go to the back, go to the back.
That's what I'm doing.
He's out. Lock her in. No.
Bye.
Lock her in.
No! Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
Nice stoppage. Yeah. Stop her. Yes.
She
Pin her
can't.
against there.
You can't get over that. Lock her in.
Block. Yes, block her in. There we go. She's screwed. Get wrecked.
No!
She's out.
Yes.
No!
Can't escape her.
Yes. Oh, my alarm's going.
Go catch
She's
her.
only like
I'm
5 miles an hour.
to wait till next time.
Well, that worked.
Oh yeah. No, that's at 9, isn't it?
You will never take me alive.
Cut her off at the front. I'll go for the back
Mine
again.
will take you dead. No,
She
why
juked-
would you do
juked
that?
you. Juked you. Go back. I got off
So
the
close.
front. Yes, taxi driver, help. Ah!
I'm stuck. Okay, I'm good.
What are you doing?
Ram into her.
That worked.
Shut
To
up.
the front. Go. 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 I got on the front. What's the front? What are you doing?
Right,
Go for the back.
What are you guys doing?
Shush.
Nice one. Okay, get the front, get the front, get the front.
I'm going backwards.
Milo, shush.
Well, viewers, this has been the strongest lawnmower that ever existed.
Yeah.
Stop moving.
Oh
Oh,
my
yeah.
god. Trap her in there. I'm trying to get in. I can't. Where are you? Oh my
Second,
god.
get to the wall. Pinner, pinner, pinner.
I can't see. I'm
Here she is. Coming out.
She's running away. Get her.
Well, she can't really
Where is
escape,
she?
seeing as
Oh,
her
yeah,
thing goes
sure.
like 10 miles an hour.
It's 5,
And
isn't it?
stop.
No.
What?
Milo.
What?
No! Why do you like ram into her? That's not gonna work.
Yeah, it will work, see?
Pin. Come on. Come on.
I'm
Come on.
trying. My car won't move.
Come on.
Get in front of her. No,
Yeah,
I'm
no.
coming up.
It's one job.
Shut up. Look.
What the? Die!
I caught her. No, she caught me more.
Out of the way.
Move.
He's escaping. Suspect. Get
Go
back.
away.
I'm trying.
Trapper.
Oh, she's going down there. I don't want her to go down there.
Don't worry. Get her back.
Charge! Oh. I'm sorry. You guys are just
Escape
disappearing.
forever. I can't see. Okay, there we go. Come over this way. You can't hide.
Oh,
Ah!
we all went to
He's
the
trapped.
same place.
He's trapped.
Move!
Going. Don't worry. Where is she going now? Ow! She made me crash into a wall.
Yay. Oi.
Eh.
I got her!
Yes.
Next.
No. Go.
I swear me going backwards is the same speed.
Yes. Trapper. Trapper now.
Yes.
Move! Move! I can't turn if you're in the way. Who's that behind us? We're doing the speed limit. Well, this one not going over it.
Into the body shop. Yes, dude. No.
It's gonna turn. Car
No,
off
we've
up
trapped her
here.
in here. We've trapped her in here.
Yeah. Have we?
Yeah, she can't really get over the walls, can she? Whoa.
Oh.
End of the line. There we go. A successful trappage.
Trappage.
Oh no. Get her back. Get her back. Wait. We can go
She
this way. It'll
can't-
be better. She can't escape. I call this a successful trappage. But yeah, I guess that'll do for this video, guys. To buy from me.
Wait.
Wait. She wants to escape one last time.
It'll be see you all in the next video. Bye.
And a bye from me. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye.
Hey.
I'm gone.